Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making rainbow stained glass with unicorn spit, Famo wood glaze coat, and old window panes. Now before I start, if you're having a problem finding unicorn spit, I want you to head over to Purple Turtle Products. They have a website called ptpflashdeals.com with all the unicorn spit products and Famo wood glaze coat, and they will set you up. Plus, all orders over $50 are free shipping. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some rainbow stained glass windows. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to Purple Turtle Products so you can head over there and grab some unicorn spit. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Bye.